How's everybody doing? Jomo Jones over here, Jones Business Credit Services, Corporate Capital Financial Services. I just want to give you a little clip on what we got going on today. This right here is a home we just purchased. Right here, we're going to turn this into a rental property. This is not a purchase and flip. This is going to be for a rental property. We're going to give you a little quick tour of what we got going on. See this structure right here is a brick structure. Nice brick, nice solid home. See the brick structure. Brick structure over here on the side of the yard over here. What I got the guys already doing, just so you can know, we wanted to open up the living room area into the dining room side. The first thing we did is we got a wall knocked down. This right here is the entrance here, the living room area. And as you can see, this wall right here is already been knocked down, opening up the floor right into the kitchen. We're gonna get new cabinetry in here. And also we're gonna get a longer countertop. As you can see, flooring is already being pulled up. We're gonna get prepping for painting. They're gonna fill in the holes and things of that nature for the painting and all that. So it's coming along real good. On the floors, we're gonna do laminate and hardwood on the floor. It's gonna be beautiful. You know what I mean? As you can see, it's already beginning to happen. Also, all the windows are going to be brand new windows, going to be replaced in here. The roof is in great condition. The roof is practically new. I want to tell y'all this, as you go out and get these homes and buy these properties, make sure you check the roofing, because roofing is a major cost. Also in the bathroom here, this whole bathroom is going to be torn out. I'm taking out this, putting in new vanity, new toilet, new shower, all this old towel. We're going to paint, we're going to do towel in this bathroom floor area. It's going to be beautiful. Also, new lighting in the bathroom area as well.
Cut this out right here. This got to come out. This header got to come out.
Got my guys in here working. So if you're looking for a good team, we'll do some construction work for you. I'll help you with some of your remodels. Let me know.
Yes, sir.
I can turn you on these guys. They do great work and they have a very reasonable price. Now, they're not the cheapest, but they have a reasonable price and they do quality work. I just wanted to tell you. Also, we're going to put fencing up so we can divide this yard from that yard. We're going to put a fence in the back area along with a deck so they can have their own privacy. They want to walk out, they want to grill, things of that nature. See what's going on out here. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're going to keep updating you on these flips and these purchases that we do. My wife and I, Sierra Jones, big shout out to her, making it happen as well. Doing all the research, making sure everything is in place, helping get the inspections done, appraisals done, and things of that nature. Just wanted to tell you, if you can conceive it, if you can believe it, you can conceive it, you can achieve it. All right? Stay tuned, folks.